You know how every school had a kid who would bring a speaker and play music in the hallways? Well, I do not recommend being that kid because the one who did it at my school got in big trouble one day because everyone was really annoyed that he would always do this. But one kid in particular named Chris was super fed up. So he made an evil plan to make sure the speaker kid, whose name was John, would stop doing this. Because during lunch, John would put the speaker inside his locker. But since it was high school, no one actually locked their locker. So during lunch one day, Chris went up to John's locker and he connected his phone to the speaker so that from now on, whenever it turned on, it would immediately connect to his device. So fast forward a few days later and he's in class with John taking a test. But Chris connects his phone to the speaker during the exam and starts playing music. So while the classroom is completely silent, the speaker starts blaring music. So the teacher took the speaker away and said, from now on, I don't want to see that speaker with you inside school. And the whole class cheered. No, they didn't do that part, but they definitely wanted to.